It's late afternoon in Austin, Texas. An unmarked 18-wheeler approaches a nondescript warehouse. Not even the driver knows about the ISO 7 clean room that was built here for one purpose. In their careers, these mechanics and techs are among America's best, and they've received hundreds of deliveries much like this. But today is different. For years, America has allowed other countries to manufacture our strategic protective gear. In 2020, America's greatest enemy came to our shores and attacked us at a microscopic level. We learned that we couldn't trust our global partners. We allowed America's heroes to fight without proper defenses. It's time to step up in a way only America knows how, and that's by building, by innovating, and by making something better and more efficient than has ever been done before. It's time to build giant, gleaming, state-of-the-art factories that will change the world and protect us now and in the future. We've taken the first step. Our state-of-the-art systems can produce millions of surgical protective masks every day. And through a combination of automation, vertical integration, and American grit, we can do it better and cheaper than any overseas supplier. In a uniquely political American way, we weren't prepared for this. But we don't need a bailout. We don't need other countries. We need the finest quality products with the most effective materials. We need full supply chain control and no foreign dependence. We need made in America, made in Texas. And masks are just the beginning. I hope you can join us in this journey, because we can't do this alone. The America works best when we work together. So let's get America protected. Let's get America back to work. And let's do this by innovating on American soil.